Today my school is going to have an online campout, so we're going to make s'mores. You are going to need marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. We don't have chocolate bars, so we're just using chocolate chips. First, we're going to put the chocolate chips on the graham crackers. Then we're going to add the marshmallows on top. Now we have to broil the marshmallows until the top is golden brown. My mom will help us with that part. It's done! Smash the graham crackers on top. Now it's time to give it a try. Mmm! Now we're off to our virtual campout to listen to campfire songs. Bye! Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.